QE16. Right, there's something about this entrance still. Marconi, if you can go straighter, rather than going so much over Fred, please please consider going straighter. All right, sorry guys, I realize it's really noisy here. I'll move somewhere off. Excuse me. All right. Sorry, just try to go somewhere a bit quiet. I'm on a drop zone. We've got a little weather hold on right now, so I'm just trying to get some of the debriefing done. Yeah, back to this. The launch, it's coming through the door nicely. Pretty good, actually. You've sold me on this technique with regards to getting everyone in the door, out the door quickly, because before I thought it was taking too long, but it seems to be working. But Marconi, you're going too much over Fred, and so you're not getting that clean air that's happening through here for you. Yeah, you see what I mean? Also, there's some rogue 16s. That one's still okay. Challenging move into the from the 16 in. I never like that blind turn, and you guys are doing a pretty good job of it. So it wouldn't be, for me, I would be looking over my left shoulder and taking the long turn, because I feel like I can be more precise. But you guys are doing a good job of it. So let's just watch each one and see whether it looks reasonable. Yeah, so here, see how Fred is coming a little straighter through. Okay, let's watch. I think this might have been one of the 16s, yeah. Okay, this 16, guys, doesn't go down the line like it should. And I feel like it's partly to do with the shape of that first point. You see here, Fred, how you've got this 45-degree angle. What it tends to do is it tends to force a lot of rotation. You see that? You're rotating and coming this way. Remember, the first part of the move is for Marconi's knee to go down the line. You need to help him do that. The piece doesn't just want to rotate in place, and it doesn't just rotate in place, it comes this way. So the back pair is moving this way, which means that you guys are meeting at two different places. The front pair has gone to where they're expecting the 16 to finish, but you guys have moved this way in the tunnel. It's kind of like, guys, what happens in the one. Remember when the pairs, we don't get that push down the line on the block. A little bit of an issue there on the on the build to the 17. As I said, it's not my favorite move, and I think if you guys do a good job with the 16, if you do a nice job with the 16, then it makes it easier going into the 17 with that blind move, Fred. But if you have this rogue finish, then it makes it really uncomfortable for the guys to build the 17. I think you can see that though. Watch that grip, Fred. That would be a bust in a major competition. Watch the levels. There you go. So when the 16 goes down the line, look at the difference here on the build. See how Marconi is level back here? And notice, Fred, how you get down the line. Watch that. Everyone goes down the line, and now we're all ending up in exactly the same place, rather than what happened on that previous one, the B-slot one, was that it moved over to here. Sorry, A-slot one. I don't know what is A-slot, B-slot. Sorry, guys. Struggling a little. Same thing there at the start of the 16, Fred. Look how your hip opens up. Look how your hip opens up there, and you come around the corner first. We need to get it going down the line. And the more you open your hip up here, the more the piece wants to move in that direction. Yep. It works okay, but it's not right. It's incorrect.